Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hi, I'm Kevin Ortner, CEO of Renters Warehouse, and I'll be your host for REI Classroom today. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of owning long-term real estate.
If you're an active real estate investor already doing deals and looking to double or triple your business, you should consider joining the Investor Fuel Real Estate Investor Mastermind. We're a small group of investors that share our best practices, tips, and tricks with one another in an effort to all win. We limit our membership to only 1 to 2 members per market, so everyone shares their knowledge, tips, and tricks openly and honestly. Our members include some buying 1 to 2 houses a month, up to some of the most respected investors and leaders in the real estate investing industry, some of which have personally done over 1,000 deals. If you'd like to be considered for our invitation-only world-class mastermind, please visit investorfuel.com to request your personal invitation. Our next meeting is coming up quickly. Go to investorfuel.com now to learn more.
There's the obvious and the not so obvious. A lot of people really focus on the obvious, which is your cash flow and appreciation. So what's cash flow? Cash flow is that monthly income you get from the revenue of your rent minus the expenses on your rental property. That's your cash flow. That's what most people focus on. They also talk about the appreciation of a property. So today it's worth $100,000, and hopefully in several years through real estate appreciation, it's worth more. That's a good thing. But I like to focus on the not so obvious. The tax benefits of owning real estate, as well as leveraging and using other people's money. So what are the tax benefits real quick? Now the tax benefits are more than just deducting your mortgage insurance, your mortgage interest. They also come down to depreciation and expenses. And so let's talk about those real quick. And this is where it really comes in play to have a great real estate CPA or a tax advisor that really understands real estate. But some of the most common deductions are your ability to deduct your mortgage interest, your expenses that are associated with managing or having that property. So things like your maintenance expense. Property management fees, if you use a third-party property manager, are also deductible. And you can actually depreciate the property as well. The caveat there is you need to depreciate only the building, and you can't depreciate the land. The government seems to think that land's not a depreciable asset. So again, make sure you're handling those in the proper way. But don't forget that through real estate, you can actually lower your taxable income and thus put more money in your pocket as well. So there's the obvious and the not so obvious, again, of your cash flow and your appreciation, your tax benefits. But my favorite is using other people's money. This is where you can leverage a bank's money to buy an asset and rent it out through real estate. Now, I always joke that you can't go into your local bank and borrow money to buy Apple stock. If you want to buy $100,000 of Apple stock, they're going to laugh you out the bank. But if you want to buy a $100,000 rental property, you can walk in the bank and say, I'd like to borrow $100,000 to buy this investment property that I'm going to rent out, and they're absolutely going to do it for you. And that means it only takes maybe 20 or 25% of that cost of your money down. You can leverage the rest of the bank's money and get more return on your cash you're putting into your investments. The best part is, using other people's money part, is now you're going to be able to place tenants into that property. They're going to pay you rent, which in turn pays down your mortgage. So not only are you borrowing the bank's money, but you're having someone else pay that mortgage down for you. Meanwhile, your asset continues to appreciate. So other people's money is my favorite part of this. The bottom line is owning investment real estate is a great way to create wealth, financial freedom, and a long-term legacy for you and your family if you're using it right. Make sure you're analyzing your investments well. You understand what that monthly cash flow is going to be. You understand how it can affect your tax rates and the tax benefits, and assemble a great team. Use a great realtor or investment advisor to help you understand the trends in the market that you're investing. Make sure you have a great tax partner so you're taking full advantage of these tax benefits that are around for you, and have a great lending partner that can get you great rates and great opportunity to borrow money to leverage your cash to go farther. So remember the obvious and the not so obvious benefits of owning rental real estate for the long term. And that's it for today. We'll see you next time on the next episode of REI Classroom.
If you're an active real estate investor already doing deals and looking to double or triple your business, you should consider joining the Investor Fuel Real Estate Investor Mastermind. We're a small group of investors that share our best practices, tips, and tricks with one another in an effort to all win. Real estate investing can be a lonely business for successful real estate investors, but it doesn't have to be. Investor Fuel members meet 4 times a year, but we talk to each other 365 days a year, and we focus on improving the profitability of our businesses, improving the quality of our lives. That's why we do this, right? And making an impact on those around us so we can truly leave a legacy. We limit our membership to only 1 to 2 members per market, so everyone shares their knowledge, tips, and tricks openly and honestly. Our members include some buying 1 to 2 houses a month, up to some of the most respected investors and leaders in the real estate investing industry, some of which have personally done over 1,000 deals. If you'd like to be considered for our invitation-only world-class mastermind, please visit investorfuel.com to request your personal invitation. Our next meeting is coming up quickly. Go to investorfuel.com now to learn more. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of flipnerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of flipnerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at flipnerd.com. Please check out the Flipnerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at flipnerd.com/shows, or simply search for Flipnerd in the iTunes store.